Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by reading care tags and separating fabrics: cotton, linen, synthetics, and delicates. For cotton and linen, use warm water up to 40 degrees C. Keep synthetics at 30 degrees C. Mix 1 cup white vinegar per 4 liters of warm water and soak hard items for 30 minutes to relax fibers. For localized stiffness, apply 2 tablespoons of diluted hair conditioner directly and gently rub fibers with fingertips. Rinse treated areas lightly before loading the washer to avoid residue and to prepare for the main wash. Load the washing machine without overpacking. Give garments room to move. Add 1/2 cup baking soda directly to the drum with your regular detergent to boost softening and remove residues. Select a gentle or permanent press cycle and use warm water settings appropriate for the fabric type. During the rinse cycle, add 1 cup white vinegar instead of commercial softener to soften fibers and neutralize detergent. After washing, avoid high heat. Tumble on low heat or remove at dampness for air drying to prevent fibers from setting hard. Transfer damp clothes to the dryer and add 2 wool dryer balls or 3 clean tennis balls to knock fibers loose and speed drying. Tumble on low heat. Remove when slightly damp to prevent overdrying, which causes stiffness. For persistent hardness, use a steam iron on low or a handheld steamer held 6 to 8 inches from fabric, moving steadily until fibers relax. Finish by reshaping and laying flat or hanging to complete drying. Store garments folded with breathable cedar blocks and avoid plastic bags to preserve softness and prevent.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.